Hi friends, it's a beautiful season of winter time. It's a time to find fun things to do in the winter can be a challenge, especially for teenagers and kids. From celebrating the holidays to going ice skating in a local park, there is never a shortage of fun things to do during the winter. Ice skating is a great way to get some fresh air. Ice skating is a classic wintertime activity that you can enjoy all season long. If you ask someone what their favorite season is, they are likely to go with the simple answer of summertime. It's easy to understand where they are coming from, but there is definitely something to be said for the chillier months of the year. Holiday decorations light up the streets. Whether you are in a quiet residential neighborhood or a big city, you are likely to find beautiful Christmas lights wherever you go. If you celebrate Christmas, winter is the perfect time to gather together with family and celebrate the season. There is nothing better than watching a loved one open a gift you have carefully picked out for them. Giving gifts is almost as awesome as getting gifts. It's a pleasure too. Fresh snowfall is beautiful. Sure, the cold weather can make life a little tricky in the winter time, but there is nothing more beautiful than a fresh snowfall. Winter is a great time to travel to escape your routine. Plus, you can often find deals on winter vacation destinations after the new year. And if you aren't a big fan of the cold, there are also plenty of deals on some of your bucket list warm weather destinations during the winter. You have the perfect excuse to stay inside and do nothing. There is nothing better than curling up by the fire with a book and a cup of hot cocoa. Don't have a fireplace? Pulling up a video of your Yule log on your TV will work almost as well. Now it's time for Christmas markets. Christmas markets pop up everywhere you go. For the holiday shopping, winter season is a great time to hit the mall. There are plenty of sales throughout the season that will get you through the next few months of cold weather. You can get super creative with holiday decorations. Holiday decorations aren't just for those who live in cold weather climates. Christmas lights are just as festive on palm trees and boats as they are on pine trees. Sledding is awesome. No matter your age, sledding is always a fun winter activity that doesn't require much skill. Now it's time for holiday entertainments. Holiday entertainment will get anyone into the spirit. What better way to celebrate the holidays in New York than seeing the Radio City Rockets Christmas Spectacular? If you love the outdoors, there are endless options for wintertime fun, from skiing to snowboarding to even hiking and snow tubing. Winter is prime time for sports fans, from ice hockey to basketball to football. Winter is not only a great time to go to the movies to get out of the cold, but tons of blockbusters hits are released during the season. So, you have plenty of options when it comes to cold weather entertainment. Winter sunrises are the best. It might get dark earlier during the winter time, but the breathtaking sunrises during the season totally make up for it. Hey, it's a time to go along with your cozy sweater, grab your cute hat, scarf, and gloves to complete your full winter look. You can finally break out your favorite cozy sweaters. If you want to stay warm during the winter months, there is nothing cozier than a classic knit sweater. You can finally drink all your favorite hot beverages. If hot chocolate's not your thing, there is also apple cider, mulled wine, and plenty of holiday themed coffee drinks to satisfy your cravings and keep you warm. There is nothing better than sipping on a mug of hot chocolate on a cold winter day. There are plenty of parties, from office holiday parties to New Year's festivities. There is always an excuse to party during the winter time. Christmas markets can be found all over Europe, although there are also many holiday markets in big cities and festive small towns in the US. But don't worry, even after the holidays are over, you still have Valentine's Day to look forward to during the winter months. If you find this video good, hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel and give likes. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.